What up, Internet? This is Chris with sellmoto.com, and there's a couple Poke fans out there that are about to be really excited. Let's see. Check out this application. Where is it? There we go. It's called Pokedroid. It does take some time to unlock, and then you can also get Pokedroid extras, and it adds some more stuff. But yeah, every Pocket Monsters fan should be kind of geeking out at the fact that this has all these Pokemon in it. And of course, if you're on the go and then come across like a random Pokemon, you can just be like, Raichu. Oh, imagine that, Raichu. Oh, crud. Yes, it even has their cries, and it's in like that cool bit-mapped 8-bit, whatever you want to call it, like a Nintendo DS-y sound. Charizard. Oh god. Cool. My Pokemon experience is mostly in the Nintendo DS area, but some of you people are going to geek out when you realize that you can click on all these moves too, and it tells you like more about them. Pretty wacky. And while I got a couple Pokekids' attention, I downloaded this application just called Pokemon, and it's supposed to be like wallpapers and stuff. It's okay. Check it out for yourself, but God. Yeah. None of them are really like HD, and they always seem to have a little bit of like graininess to them though, so they're not like optimized for crazy phones. Okay, catch them all. Pokemon.